So in this section, we're going to talk about how to use the DC1200 colorimeter manufactured by LaMotte. Basically, we need our copper reagent, our water sample, which is in the middle here, and an empty glass vial. They all come with the kit. Now we want to fill the glass vial to that horizontal line. This is the first step where we want to zero out the testing mechanism. And we're going to, before zeroing out, of course, we're going to remove the fingerprints or any type of smudges on the vial, and then introduce the vial into the reader. We want to line up the white line on the vial with the black arrow of the reader, and then press 0 until you see BLA show up. This zeroes out the unit, and you can then proceed with introducing your reagent into the to the sample, and then from there you'll be able to get your proper reading of copper. So we want to introduce 5 reagent drops into your sample here. Put the caps back onto your reagent and the glass vial, shake it up a little bit, and then basically remove the fingerprints from the vial. Now, once you've removed your fingerprints, you want to line up the white line with the black arrow from the reader, and then push read. Once you have your value, you want to record that value. Now, whatever value is required for your facility is in your commissioning report, and it should be logged in the portalhub.com system also. Now, your glass vials will occasionally require cleaning. Basically, the residue from the reagent will accumulate over time inside the vials, and you should remove this residue either by using a tissue paper like this, or some kind of cleaning agent in a dishwasher of some sort that's meant for laboratory equipment. Now, what we use in the field is a tissue paper with a screwdriver or a pen, and just to basically rub the inside of your vial until the residue is removed. And you'll see this residue actually come off and tarnish the tissue. So this vial here, of course, didn't have much residue in it. This one here, you can actually see a tint, a slight tint in it, which is basically residue from the reagent. And then I believe that there's another shot coming up here where you'll see some residue that's a little bit more predominant, and you'll see it more coming off, and you'll see it on the tissue. Basically, cleaning your vials occasionally is very important in order to make sure that your colorimeter actually gets proper readings, both when you're zeroing out the unit and also when you're actually taking some samples, sample readings from water that you took from your water distribution network. If you have any questions, please contact us either by calling the 1-888 number, or by contacting us via email, or also via our portalhub.com network. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon.